Hello and welcome to Wandering WandA. I'm Ariel. We are at Mystic Falls KOA Park. I'm at site 425 and I'm so happy to be at this site. We're at the newer part of the park. There's no freaking trees anywhere, which is fabulous because the Starlink is now at the skylight right over here where the front air conditioner is, and that means we're going to get clear signal. We have a Starlink Mini now since the other one failed, and again we're at a patio site, which is what I like to book when it's available. So it's a long site, it's 50 plus. I know that from my own KOA experiences. We have water in, water out, and everything is centrally located. Now there is a slope down here, so I'm not sure if I want to put blocks or not, but right now we're gonna leave it. This is a really steep incline here, so everyone's still coming in. Again, this is the site that I'm used to booking, so really happy about this. And right now I'm not getting bit. There are things flying around, but I don't think they're mosquitoes. Okay, even though we've only just gotten here, would I actually stay at this park again? At this newer area, yes, I would stay at this park again. Starling happy? It's nice to have a spouse here because
I just finished
he's
everything.
doing the inside of the rig.
All finished.
Which is fabulous. And let me show you the Starlink setup. So Starlink is now here in the hallway where the bathroom is. And so far these suction cups are actually holding, and I also have a bungee cord strapped where the skylight is, so there is a little bit of a gap there, and the blue light is blinking, so it's got power, and the power is being run. Okay, not everyone's gonna have this.
Starlink is working.
This is just a WandA thing. I have the cord coming down, and since we have a bidet, Airstream put that plug in, so it's plugged in.
Starlink's working.
Starlink is working. Okay, see, we don't have to set up Starlink. The only time we do need to set up Starlink is if we're under trees and we need to move Starlink away from the trees. This is the next project. Tomorrow excursion is Seaport Museum on our own at 10 a.m. And then after, the day after, is a bus tour and a cruise.
Yep, thank you.
Hello. Okay, we're starting off with, may I have 2 plates?
Yes, you may. Yes, you absolutely may.
No other meat. Ham? Oh, I'll take the ham. Okay, I'll take ham. Thank you. I might be back.
Can I get a piece of the
Veggie or cheese?
veggie?
Okay, we have pizza. We have pizza night. They have meat, ham, cheese
Over there.
behind you. And then we have vegetarian.
I don't think so. He usually stays at KOA. I've given the flying flags.
Okay, this is not a tour bus, but it's a drive-to tour at the Mystic Seaport Museum. So there's old ships here. We took group photos, and now there's a little village that goes around a 2-block radius, and we're just walking around. Oh, look, an old clipper ship. That's part of the tour. Oh, it goes on over there. Oh.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Welcome to Stone Store. My name is Cheryl. I'm a volunteer here, and this is set up for about 1880. It was an actual general store that was moved in 1954, about 8 miles away. So, all these buildings were brought in, with the exception of the houses along Greenville Avenue. So the seaport was recreated after we stopped building wooden ships here. We had 2 large wooden ships.
This is the chemist. Time. These are syrup. Okay, where's the cocaine and the heroin?
Oh, somebody swiped it.
I don't see cocaine and heroin. That was very common back then. That was like aspirin of today.
Oh, somebody probably swiped it, or it's in the back, or we can't get it.
Looks like a church. Doesn't say what kind of.
You who never drink until you lose your balance, let us look each other in the face on this subject.
Doesn't say what
You
religion.
have, under God, in your power, the redemption of this land from drunkenness.
Come inside and see what's cooking. Go inside and see what's cooking. Oh, bad feng shui. It smells like it's burning.
Hello.
Hello, so what's cooking?
So I'm making some tea right now.
Tea. He's making tea.
So after this, I want these logs to burn down actually.
Oh,
So I can
okay.
get the all these, see those red hot embers at the bottom? I want those. Because I'm going to be using those to make a little hot base on the floor. Put my kettle on top and make some gingerbread.
Gingerbread. Oh.
So we have the recipe here if you'd like to see. It's from the Journal of Charles Benson.
So if we come back in a little while, we can get some gingerbread.
Unfortunately, I can't feed the guests because we're not quite up to FDA standards in
Oh,
here.
who cares about the FDA? They weren't around during the 1800s.
It's the government, always trying to protect us.
Yeah, once I start making them, once I bring the molasses out, you'll see the flies quite like the molasses as well.
Oh, okay.
So that's why.
So what?
All right. Thank you, Nicholas.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm waiting for this kettle to heat up, and then I'll make
Oh,
some.
look at that. He's got a bucket of water ready to go. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, they need to tear this wall down. They need to raise the ceiling. They need to reorient the stairs to go that way because it's bad feng shui. It's right out to the front door.
We need an elevator.
This is why I don't like walking through houses anymore.
Fix that door so that it's wider.
We have an account here? Okay, we're going to the bank.
She took the withdrawal, all the money the bank had, and just sold it.
Looks like people make wishes. It's right there.
And then upstairs from the bank
You're headed to the immigration office?
is the immigration office. See,
I
look
think
at
you
that.
should go to the immigration office.
Passenger and immigrant agents. I think they're closed. Copperidge. That would be the copper people.
Cooperage?
Cooperage?
They make tires or round wheels.
Round wheels? Oh, okay. Or barrels. It looks like barrels.
Yeah, Cooperage,
they
not
made-
Copperidge.
Oh.
Cooper.
Cooper? Not copper?
No, it's Cooper.
Cooper.
Wheels.
Make barrels.
They make barrels. Okay, well, that's a whole bunch of barrels. And this is school books, paper, emblem. Well, yeah, you need that support. Here's a very handsome man. Mass hoop manufacturing. I guess you do need hoops for the sails.
Okay, important stuff up ahead.
Ooh, watches,
clocks,
sextants. Okay, you need sextants. Some of those sextants can be expensive. Hello.
Baseball, pinball, pool tables, casino tables, racing simulators. You know, really anything somebody wants.
Nice.
Yeah, we enjoy it. It's a lot of fun.
That's a cool little niche.
The casinos are not allowed to
This does illustrate a somewhat larger point, which is that throughout the course of the sail, the crew is going to break every single one of these.
Just making my brainstorm. Oh no, we're on there.
Don't go any further back or you'll be in trouble.
Yeah, you're no.
I know, they're gonna scream at me. Big deal. It's not like it's the first time.
Shark bait.
Oh, there's husband. Okay. People were asking where you were. I said, I don't know. He's on the ship. Is this ship? Boat? Boat?
Oh, sure.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, can I steer the boat?
I'm not going to put anybody in their coffee.
I'm hoping to steer the boat.
Alright. Yeah, you can get out there. I'll let you take it.
Oh, okay. Great. Now, where is out there?
Out there is sort of more so where we'll be sailing. Right now we're in the Mystic River.
We're in the Mystic River.
Yep. So where we're going is Fisher's Island Sound.
Fisher Island Sound. Okay.
Basically just the...
It's in the Sound, though. Okay,
that?
it's in the Sound of the peninsula between Jersey and Connecticut.
So we're a bit north of Jersey here.
We're north of Jersey.
This is the easternmost point in Connecticut, and we are just at the edge of Long Island Sound, but we're our own sound because we have Fisher's Island, New York. Is blocking off the sea. You see the land straight ahead of us out in the distance? That's Fisher's Island, New
Oh, that's
York.
an island. It's not
Yeah.
a peninsula. All right.
Yep.
Thank you.
I know at first, the girl hosted me.
Lighthouse tender in the United States.
Really?
Her
Oh
name was
my God,
Eliza
you're a
DeVore.
pioneer woman. Look at you, Mary
I mean, I wouldn't know how to
Laura
do it.
Ingalls Wilder over here next to my right.
I wouldn't know how to function, but I would try. My hair dryer. How would I get my hair dryer? Oh, I can't.
So he moved into that lighthouse with him, his wife, and his 7 daughters.
7
Quiet
daughters.
and peaceful is a relative term, and I guess everything is quiet and peaceful compared to combat.
Here we are in Newport, Rhode Island. There's a throng of tourists here, and we don't really know why. We are just looking for postcards. Do you sell postcards?
What kind of cards?
Postcards?
No, I don't.
No. Do you know where I can get postcards? Nope.
don't,
Okay,
I'm
thank
sorry.
you. You too. You know, lady lied to me. What do you think? All right, here we are at the Breakers, National Historical Landmark.
He's an arm's length away. I'm safe. Somebody from the peanut gallery.
Oh, are we supposed to wait with the group? I'm so bad with instructions.
I'm just following you.
Oh,
Boom, gonna run you over with that bus.
You have our tickets? Do you have our tickets?
No, I do not.
Oh, well, you're the guide.
I'm the guide today. No, but I was just going to the shade.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So they
okay.
said the map is like inside the house.
The map is inside the house. Okay. Well, that's pretty.
I'm just waiting for Joe.
Oh, I don't know where Walter is. Walt. Okay, we got to be back at the bus at 2:30. Oh, look at that. Look at the tile. Wonder where they stole that from.